Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to XPS Tech. First of all, today is 25th of December, so Merry Christmas to all my viewers out there and a very Happy New Year. I hope this New Year brings out positive changes in your life. Speaking of changes, today's video is also a change from my regular usual tech video. Today's video is the unboxing of my new audio equipment, which is the Blue ICICLE XLR-to-USB preamplifier. I purchased my Shure SV100 microphone a month back without realizing that I also require an XLR to USB converter for it to connect to my laptop. At that time, I got a very cheap adapter which connect to the audio port of my laptop, but realized that the audio input levels were very low. To solve this issue, I looked online and found out Blue Icicle converter. It's a plug and play XLR to USB converter, an excellent option for someone who has just started into podcasting. It cost around $51 to me on eBay. It doesn't require any additional driver to be installed, and it is very compact and portable. So today's video is the unboxing of Blue Icicle XLR to USB preamplifier. So let's begin today's video. So here's the package containing the Blue Icicle. As you can see, I have ordered it online through eBay. So let me start opening this up. On eBay, I ordered this product about a month back and got this for $51. But right now, due to this Christmas season, you have different offers on different websites. On Amazon, you can buy this product for $31 right now. So if you are planning to buy this, this is the right time to purchase. There is another box inside this to open this up. Let me take my Swiss Army knife to cut these tapes. Alright, there it is, wrapped in another piece of plastic. Let me take that out. So after the eBay packing, the FedEx cardboard box and the last plastic wrapper, we finally have the Blue Icicle in its original packing. I think this is the packing that you'll get if you buy it from a store. On the back cover, in the top you have plug in, chill out. Alright, we'll do that. And then you have the features written in English. In the bottom you have the same features written in different languages. Now as you can see, it has a cylindrical design which is white in color, and it has the Icicle text written on top of it. This text glows blue when it is connected to your computer, and the design is very simple yet elegant. And now it's time to take this last cover off. Let me start from the top. If you can see, there are these little knobs that secure this piece of plastic. If you just pull these two part of plastic out, you can unpack this thing up. Alright, let me try from this side. Alright, there is a piece of tape securing this part. Let me cut this tape. Okay, and let me pull out this knob. Alright, there is also one more piece of tape. Let me cut this out. And on the other side also you have two pieces of tape. So cut these things out. Alright, there you go. Now the package is open. There were only 4 pieces of tapes that was securing this pack. So pretty easy to unpack this thing. And now you just have to take this thing out of this plastic. So here you have the blue ICICLE Preamp XLR to USB converter. You also have inside the package a USB cable, a mini USB to USB cable to connect your blue ICICLE XLR to USB converter to your laptop. In the package you also have a quick start guide and a user guide, just the basic piece of literature. That is quite neat, and in different languages. Okay, and that's about it. That's all that you have in the package. Alright, here's the blue ICICLE that you all have been waiting for. As you can see, there is this little knob that you can use to adjust your audio level. On the other end you have the mini USB port that you can use to connect this to your computer, and top end is the XLR female port that goes to your XLR microphone. And it feels very light in weight, and that's an advantage if you take your audio equipment with you while traveling. So the less weight definitely is an advantage. This is the USB cable. Let me take this thing out and show you how you can connect this to your blue ICICLE preamp. This end, the mini USB port, goes to the back of your blue ICICLE, and the other end goes to your laptop. That is how you connect this preamp. And here are some of the features of blue ICICLE. It also has a 48-volt phantom power for condenser mic, and doesn't require any special drivers, and it's also compatible with both Mac and PC. And also let me quickly show you how you can connect your microphone and XLR microphone to the blue ICICLE preamp. So as you can see, the XLR microphone has the XLR port. All you have to do is just attach this directly to the blue ICICLE preamp. This is how you can connect, and that's about it. And you can also take this out by pressing this little knob, pulling it out. Alright, and as I've already shown, the other end goes from the mini USB cable, mini USB port, to your USB port of your laptop. Alright, so finally it's time for the audio test so that you can compare the difference between my old Samsung microphone and the new blue ICICLE preamp. So this is an audio test using my old Samsung microphone. This is an audio test using my old Samsung microphone. And this is an audio test using the blue ICICLE XLR to USB preamplifier. This is an audio test using the blue ICICLE XLR to USB preamplifier. This is an audio test using the blue ICICLE XLR to USB preamplifier. So that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, press the like button. If you have any comment or suggestion, kindly type that in the comment box. And I wish all of you a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year once again. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.